So unlike my custom PC back in the corner, you have to remove 4 screws because this is like a back mounting plate for the back of the power supply.
Aren't you supposed to just take it and then put it in there?
No, with this case you have to feed it from the back.
I dropped that.
So yeah, just remove that back plate.
I know. That hurt.
Oh, okay, good. If you need more leverage, that you
What are you talking about? I got it.
Okay, you got. Okay, I was gonna say if you need more leverage, you can attach it to this if you need to.
I need you to hold the case.
Oh, I should be holding the case.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
It's a brand new case. And you know that tip will fall out of that screwdriver if you tip it the wrong way.
Yes, I know. I can tell it's loose.
Good thing I have the GoPro going. In this camera, I like to do the automatic stop thing. That's where you take. Wait, this is where you take this and mount it on the back. There we go. Now, what? There should be a label that say upright.
Michael, it says right there.
Okay, good.
Top.
Okay, that's good. Now, I know some of you are going to go, while you're mounting the... I know there's some people out there. It should be the... It should be these screws.
Yeah, I was heading for them.
Okay, good. Just want to make sure I wasn't quite sure.
You know I'm intelligent. Because on Portal 2, if I'm stuck at a puzzle, you can say one word and I'll figure out the puzzle.
Portal 2.
That one level I was stuck on, I finally figured out too. I was supposed to use the little guy's freaking laser to my advantage. So I was like, oh, I see.
Yeah. Excuse if it dark, people. Excuse my messy floor too.
Part of it is I've been throwing the packages around.
No, it's all my mess. Before you even came.
I said that was part of it.
There we go.
Isn't this a Cooler Master case? Oh yeah. Because the holes are lining up exactly, so...
I guess before you... Yeah. Now when you slide in, you probably lose access to that 4-pin CPU connector. So you might as well plug that in before you lose access to that particular one.
Why is there 2?
Oh, because that for like 8-pin. If you add them 4 plus 4 would be 8-pin, but this board only uses a 4-pin. Yeah, there we go. You did only have to use one side of the 4-pin connector.
No, I'm making sure to match.
Oh yes, there's a locking latch, and it's keyed one way. So there we go. Oh, you're gonna lose access to the CPU. The chassis fan, yeah, let it hang out halfway just enough. Now on my desk there should be a little Y splitter that I took out of your port collection. There we go. There we go.
At least I can see that I'm used to handling that knife.
There we go. Being this board only have one case or one fan header for a case, we do have to use a fan. So this end goes to the motherboard.
Oh.
Yeah, we're gonna set it down, I guess. Oop. Oh, I see, it got caught. Okay. That was no, that was a switch. Don't worry. That's
I don't know how the switch is supposed to go. So. Oh, she's probably gonna start howling at me now because I hear sirens. Get the mic out of the way. I'm trying to look at it and there's a big mic in my face.
The big Rode microphone. Make my voice sound nice.
Yeah, something that you can also put in your mouth.
Yeah, don't... YouTube, hopefully this is advertised suitable. I'd be surprised if it's not advertisement suitable, YouTube. I'd be really unhappy with you.
I'm keeping my jokes so.
Yeah, it's pretty subtle. I'd be surprised that YouTube if they say, oh, that's not suitable for advertisement, by saying you can stick a microphone in the mouth.
We'll start off with I get that mic out of my mouth and then get that big mic out of my face, and then when you can put the mic in your mouth.
So YouTube, don't please make my YouTube video where I can advertise my video. I'd be really unhappy with you, YouTube, if you did.
Locked in, okay, cool.
Yeah.
What, do I need to...
Well,
do I need to plug this in?
You might as well if you want to. Yeah, there we go. And there should be another fan cord too from the front. Should be. Oh,
where's this tiny little thing?
Yep. Now be cautious of connecting these fan headers with those Y splitter because you really can seriously damage your fan header on your board if you are being very aggressive, if you're pouring a lot of voltage. Okay, people? So, let's be cautious. There we go. Make sure that wire don't get caught up in the fan. Or that CPU fan wire. Now, I don't recommend you people try to do this build for your first time. Because this is a pretty tight build. You might as well keep the screw out just in case you need to slide it out. Depending on what connector you putting on. That'd be that big connector, so you probably would know what that big connector guy go to.
Well, it's a big cord, so I'm trying to figure out how to route it.
Yeah.
Big cord, tiny space. Actually, big thing, tiny space. Or tight squeeze.
This is not the great case for a beginner person who's just getting into PC building. I don't recommend this case. Once you build a couple PCs, and it's okay to venture into that, because as you can see, the Sibling had to slide the power give
them. There
yeah,
we go.
give them enough room. This is a case that pretty easily the wire can get stuck in the fan blade if you're not careful. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Guess what next? Alrighty there, people. Now we're on to part 3. Thank you for watching part 3. If you want to continue on watching the series or part of video series of my sibling building my parents' PC, that please make sure subscribe or follow me on Google Plus page, whatever works out. And one thing too is, if you are subscribed, make sure you hit the bell notification. Once you hit the bell notification, you should be able to get notification, which every video I've uploaded, YouTube should notify you people if there's any new videos. So hopefully most of you have been following the series, so please hang on, because this is going to be a month of uploading part of series. So hopefully you do enjoy it, because it's taking a lot of work to break it down into smaller chunk of video, into section that most of you can watch in a short amount of time. So but anyway, you know, like I said, if you enjoy it, feel free to give the video a like or dislike, whatever you feel like. And if you did subscribe, but if you want to check out other videos beside the video series, if you don't know how to check out my video gallery, go in the video notes and click that link that will redirect you to the video gallery. Then if you want to donate or help out the channel, if you want to get more info, if you want to go to my YouTube channel homepage, feel free to, if you don't know how to access that, in the bottom corner of my video is my username. If you click on my username, you'll be landed on my YouTube homepage. That's where you get some of the info, contact info, you know, all the link I've put on my YouTube homepage. So, and video I've liked from other people, other YouTubers I'm featuring on my YouTube homepage. So many stuff to check out. So once you're done checking out, if you want to still go to my video gallery next, click on the video tab, and that should take you over to the video gallery. Now, the video notes, be sure of click on show me more, because if you don't click on show me more in the video notes, you're only going to see the link to the video gallery. But if you click on show me more, there should be a channel email address if you need to contact me. So, or if you want to get in touch with me, whatever question you have, you can send the email to me if you want to. Then Amazon wish list. So if you want to support various project I have on my Amazon wish list, feel free to support if you want to, if you feel like. And if you did support Amazon wish list, I will give you a shout out or a sponsor or a video got sponsored by, whatever you prefer, from being from your name being out there or from being anonymous, which I did say that earlier ago. So then community detective forms. So if you are signed up with one of those community detective forms, feel free to say hi to me. Then if you have any positive comment or any positive or nice conversation you want to pin a comment, feel free to post them below the video, and I will catch you next time to part 4 of the series. So don't know how long this series is going to be, so imagine 4 hours of video footage. Imagine how many video footage I have to break down in 20 minutes. But hopefully most of you have enjoyed the video series, so hopefully you will watch part 4 of it. Okay, like I said, I will catch you next time. I'm gonna get back or get this clip imported into the PC so I can get a window up and put it on YouTube.